the doctoral engineering program in manufacturing. Brings together bright students with a background in a previous study like bachelor degree in mechanical or electrical or any other engineering field.
Michigan Manufacturing is a high-ranking program, so we have a top faculty who have conducting the cutting-edge research and also has lots of collaboration with the local industry.
A PhD program and DEng program will lead to the same degree, meaning doctoral education in manufacturing is equivalent to PhD studies. Our students are working in great teams. Every candidate who will enroll in these programs will have the chance to work in great laboratories, experimental computation, field studies, where they will use the highest end equipment.
So we can train students on both the technical specialty and also we can train our students with integrative system thinking and also have the business management capability as well.
Why bachelor degree in engineering or a master student will enroll to DEng or PhD program is just because they want to become a leader faster than other colleagues. University of Michigan is a micro word of a dream to become true. Excellence is the core part of the University of Michigan for faculty, students, and staff.
And those prepare our students to be more competitive in their future career to be the leader in manufacturing.